How would you say this?
Cinepeer.
I'd say Cinepeer.
I don't know though. Like, I feel like you know.
Whatever. That's so good. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm shooting with one of your favorites, Paulina Barbar. We are at the studio and I'm gonna show you guys my new favorite light. It is mad small, compact, and it's actually our key light right now. Also, I'm gonna be using the other light that I have, and they're both from Zhiyun. This one is the Cinepeer. I think that's how you say it. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me. But the Cinepeer C100, and this is the Molus B500. And I'll show you guys a little bit of the light after. But for right now, let's just get straight into it. There we go. Oh, this is gonna look so good. Yo, I'm not gonna hold you. This is gonna look mad good. This is alright. Just so you can see.
Oh, fire.
All right, guys, so this is our first lighting setup. I'm going to be using the Molus B500 right here as the key light, and I have it a little bit off-centered so it can feather here, but I'm also using a V-flat right here to bounce some of that light back. I did have a reflector in the back, but it's really of no use right now, not gonna lie. But we also have a big softbox on here. I can't remember how big it is, honestly. I'll tell you guys after I put it like the description inside the video. But right now, let's get straight to it. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, yes, right there. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Right now I'm gonna do 3/4. 3, 2, 1. I wanna see it face to face. I don't give a damn about your boyfriend. Let's do one with the stool. 1. Let's actually do one of these. I think looks pretty cool. 3, 2, 1. Paulina is a natural. She's killing it. We're already almost done with this, and it's only taken us about like a couple minutes. As you can see, every couple of seconds, she's switching up her posing. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Eyes here. Yeah. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna add the C100 as a kicker, as more like a hair light right over here. And you'll see this thing is mad small, but it is mad powerful. So I'm gonna put it back over here. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, this little light right here is perfect for situations like this, where you just need a little bit of a kicker. And what this does is, as you can see right here, it separates her from the background. So if you, right here you see, and not. So I'm gonna use this as a hair light right here just to wrap around her. And you guys will see the difference once I start taking some pictures. And the good thing about this light is it has barn doors. Hopefully you guys can see me, but it has barn doors, so you can open it like this. And it wasn't because of you, it's because of me. Because I don't know if it's like over here, over here. One of these look actually great. And this is all constant light, guys. So I usually like using flash in the studio, but when you're going between video and photos, sometimes it does take a long time to like switch lighting setups. So using a flash and constant light sometimes is a good idea. But when you have two constant lights that are both as powerful as the B500 and the C100, I mean, two light setups like this, pretty simple as you can see. one here, and you see these pictures. You can't lose. Zhiyun. Somebody tell me how to say it. Is it Zhiyun or Shayun? Don't know. All I know is these lights are amazing. And one. Perfect. So usually in a studio, I will shoot maybe at a higher f-stop, closer to like a 7.1 or higher with an ISO 100. But because the constant light right now, I boosted my ISO to 320, and I'm shooting at right now 4.5. So let's get a couple more pictures in. 3, 2, 1. Let's do some without the stool and without the prop. 3, 2, perfect. That looks great. Eyes here. Perfect. Chin up a little, right there. 3, 2, 1. Put your right leg up like this. Yes, 3, 2, 1. That is perfect. Eyes right here. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, we've done studio shoots already actually, so you already know. But let's see what she thinks. I haven't been in the studio for a little while.
Okay, let's see. Oh yes. Oh, these are so good. Ooh.
They come out really good.
Oh,
This is a simple 2-light setup.
I love it.
Easy.
It looks easy, but it's because of you. Wait, I love these. Oh my gosh.
I didn't say it, guys. She said it, all right?
Oh yeah, I'm obsessed.
So, now, kneel down.
Yeah.
Because that's what I was gonna say next.
Okay.
So go ahead and kneel down and we get the lighting ready for you. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. This is so clean, yeah. Let the hair fall down on this side, right? Killed it. Easy. Let's do some video. So go back over there. 1. That is perfect. Amazing. 2 and 1. Perfect. Yep. Give me a walk here. 3, 2, and don't even look at me this time. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And let's do one more thing. So one of the cool things about this light, and let me show you guys over here actually. So we have the light set up over here, and one of the cool things about this light is that it has different modes. So what I'm gonna do right now is switch it up, and let's see, what mode should I use? First of all, I accidentally put it in Chinese. The language is in Chinese right now. Guys, I'm tripping. Let's change this language. Let's get this language changed first of all. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do right now is I put it on paparazzi mode, alright? So you guys are gonna see, hopefully you guys are not epileptic, because I know the flashing lights are not the best for that. But another thing I like about this light is it's so small, it's compact, and it has modes. And 1. Perfect. And 1. Walk towards me and then throw the jacket over the camera. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Nice.
Good?
Easy. Let's change it to the next one.
Okay, what's the next one?
So I want to give you guys a comparison. This is the 500 watt, the Zhiyun, and this is a 60 watt that I have that's also a constant light. As you can see, the size, it's almost the same size. It's a little bit smaller, but come on. 500 watts in something like this with no power brick? You tell me. Switch to this. Yeah. Yeah.